In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to @ someone on LinkedIn. Now, if you've ever wondered about how to mention or tag someone in your LinkedIn posts to make your content interactive and engaging, you're in the right place. LinkedIn is a powerful network for professionals, and tagging or mentioning someone correctly can significantly amplify your networking and visibility. So let's dive right into the steps to achieve this effectively. First up, you want to make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Head over to the LinkedIn website and click on the Sign In option. You might see an option to sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Choose the option that's best for you and log in. This step is crucial because without being signed in, you won't be able to create or comment on posts. Once you're signed in and looking at your LinkedIn feed, you'll notice a variety of options and content. Your focus should be on the Start a Post area. It's usually prominently displayed at the top of your feed, encouraging users to share thoughts, articles, or updates. Click on Start a Post to begin crafting your message or content. Now here's where the magic of interaction begins. In your post draft, type in the @ symbol followed by the name of the person you want to mention. As you start typing, LinkedIn will suggest profiles that match the name you're inputting. This is incredibly handy because it ensures you tag the right individual or entity. Once you see the correct name appear in the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on their profile. This action formally tags them in your post. Tagging someone not only notifies them, but also potentially expands the reach of your post to their network. It's a fantastic way to increase engagement and foster connections. Just remember to tag individuals thoughtfully and where it adds value to your post or comment. Over-tagging can be viewed as spammy and might dilute the impact of your message, and that's it. You now know how to @ someone on LinkedIn, a simple yet effective way to enhance your posts and engage directly with others in your network. Whether you're shouting out a colleague, referencing a thought leader, or tagging a company, this feature enriches the community aspect of LinkedIn. Don't forget, LinkedIn is all about building and nurturing professional relationships. Proper tagging is just one of the many tools available on the platform that facilitates vibrant and meaningful interactions. Go ahead and give it a try in your next post. Who knows? Your next tag could lead to an incredible opportunity or a valuable connection. Thank you for watching, and make sure to practice what you've learned today to elevate your LinkedIn presence.